The NHL has opened a path for the 5 players acquitted in the Hockey Canada case to return to the league this winter, but not without conditions. Michael McLeod, Carter Hart, Dillon Dube, Alex Formenton and Cal Foote, all found not guilty in July of sexual assault charges stemming from a 2018 incident in London, Ontario, will not be eligible to sign with a team until mid-October and cannot play until December. The case, long a black mark on Canadian hockey, resurfaced when police reopened their investigation in early 2024 and charged the players, nearly 6 years after the alleged assault. The accusations centered on a night following a Hockey Canada gala celebrating the country's Junior World Championship team. According to police, the players met a 20-year-old woman at a bar before the alleged incident occurred in a hotel room. Initial investigations led to no charges, but the renewed case went to trial this year. Justice Maria Caroccia, presiding after the jury was dismissed, ruled that the accuser's testimony was not credible or reliable enough to meet the burden of proof. The players were cleared on July 24. McLeod also acquitted of being a party to the alleged offense. Despite the verdict, the NHL said it would not immediately reinstate them, opting to conduct its own review. On September 11, the league issued a statement calling the events deeply troubling and unacceptable and asserting that the players' conduct, while not criminal, fell short of the standards expected of professionals in the sport. League officials said each player had met personally with them, expressing remorse and regret, but that discipline was still warranted. As part of the ruling, the players will effectively serve an additional suspension that keeps them sidelined until December 1. By then, the league noted, they will have been away from NHL competition for nearly 2 years. The statement also underscored that their future careers depend on adhering to the standards of behavior demanded by the NHL, both on and off the ice. The NHL Players Association, which had previously disagreed with the decision to withhold reinstatement after the acquittals, welcomed Thursday's announcement. In a statement, the NHLPA emphasized the players' cooperation with every investigation and their full acquittal in court. It said the union entered negotiations with the league to avoid a lengthy dispute and further delays, ultimately agreeing to the conditions outlined by the NHL. For the league, this compromise closes one of its most contentious chapters in recent memory, even as it acknowledges the damage done to the game's reputation. For the players, it marks a difficult but necessary step toward resuming their careers.